Hi, it's Miley with Cloud App. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. We're going to type in facebook.com into the search bar. Now, instead of putting in your login information here, you're going to just click on this or fill out the sign up. Super simple. Right, then you're going to fill out your birthday, and then put whatever your gender is. Now you're going to click sign up. Perfect. So now all you have to do is go to your email, and there should be an email from Facebook, and you're just going to enter the PIN. So I will go over in new videos what to do after this point, after you fill out all of that. I'm going to show you how to go through and customize your account. So just make sure to put that, then you'll click continue, and it will have you fill in the rest of your information. Okay, now I've gotten my code from my email, and all you have to do is copy and paste that, and then we're going to click continue. Okay, now the account has been confirmed. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to redirect us. Great, so now we are here, and I will post a link to the next part of this series on how to customize your Facebook profile.